Most beginner AI course lists make one big mistake. They mix AI strategy, workplace productivity, prompting, and Python as though they are the same thing. They are not. In this video, I will show you which of 5 beginner courses matches your actual goal. Your first step depends on what you want to achieve. Some beginners need a clear explanation of what AI can and cannot do. Others want practical help with documents, emails, and everyday work. Some want to understand generative AI more broadly, while others are ready to move towards Python. The courses in this comparison serve different purposes, so there is no single winner for everybody. A certificate can be useful, but it should not be the only reason you choose a course. My number 1 starting point is AI for Everyone by Andrew Ng and Deep Learning.ai on Coursera. This is the best option for a true beginner who wants a clear mental model of AI before touching tools or code. It explains common AI terminology, what machine learning can and cannot do, how AI projects work, how organizations can identify useful opportunities, and the ethical and social questions around AI. No coding background is required, and Coursera lists the course as beginner level with about 7 hours of material. The main strength is judgment. It helps you talk about AI confidently and understand where it is useful without pretending that every problem needs AI. The limitation is that it is not a practical tools lab. You will not spend the course building prompts, automating tasks, or writing Python. A certificate is available through Coursera, but certificate access requires the paid certificate experience. My recommendation is to take this first when you want understanding and only pay for the certificate when it has a clear use at work or on your LinkedIn profile. Choose Google AI Essentials instead when your priority is immediate workplace productivity. Google designed this course for beginners with no technical experience. It is listed as taking under 5 hours and focuses on using AI tools for real tasks, including brainstorming, organizing information, drafting content, improving productivity, prompting, and responsible use. This is the strongest choice here for someone who wants practical AI workflows rather than a broader strategy course. You can learn techniques that apply to emails, summaries, planning, research, and other day-to-day tasks. The main limitation is depth. It is useful for workplace adoption, but it is too light for someone planning to become a machine learning engineer. A Google certificate is included with paid course access. Google currently lists a price of $49 per month after a 7-day trial in the United States and Canada, with prices varying by region. Third is Generative AI for Everyone, also taught by Andrew Ng through Deep Learning.ai and Coursera. This is a good choice when you specifically want to understand generative AI, but you are not yet ready for technical large language model training. The course covers what generative AI can and cannot do, prompting and everyday exercises, the generative AI project lifecycle, and concepts such as retrieval-augmented generation, fine-tuning, tool use, and agents. These topics are introduced as part of a broad beginner overview rather than as developer implementation labs. Coursera lists around 6 hours of material, with a suggested pace of 1 to 2 hours per week for 3 weeks. The main advantage is context. It helps you understand where generative AI fits before you choose a narrow prompting course or a technical engineering path. Its limitation is that it is neither a complete prompt engineering course nor a complete AI engineering program. Coursera says the certificate experience requires purchase, although a no-certificate course option may sometimes be available at enrollment. Audit or preview the learning route first, and pay only when the certificate has a clear purpose. The fourth option is IBM's Introduction to Artificial Intelligence on Coursera. This course suits beginners who want a structured, provider-backed overview and may later continue into an IBM learning path. It covers AI concepts and applications, machine learning, deep learning, neural networks, large language models, business and career impact, ethics and governance. The published curriculum also includes hands-on labs and a final project. Coursera lists it as beginner level and approximately 1 week at 10 hours of study. Compared with AI for Everyone, the IBM course covers a wider range of technical terminology. Compared with Google AI Essentials, it is less focused on immediate workplace workflows. You do not need to start as an AI engineer, but expect a broader survey of the field. Its main limitation is that the content is high-level by design, so the certificate should not be mistaken for a technical professional qualification. Access is subscription-based, and the current amount can vary by account or region. Pay when the certificate supports a specific learning record or your next IBM course, not simply because the IBM name appears on it. The fifth choice is AI Python for Beginners from deeplearning.ai on Coursera. This is different from the other four because it is the option for someone who has completed basic AI literacy and is now ready to begin coding. The course uses AI-flavored examples to introduce Python. Coursera lists it as beginner level, with a suggested 2-week schedule at around 10 hours per week. It can help you test whether programming is the right next step before committing to a longer machine learning, deep learning, or AI engineering program. Do not choose this as your first course when your goal is simply to use AI tools at work without coding. It is also not a complete AI education by itself. Think of it as a coding on-ramp. A certificate is available through the paid certificate experience, but the strongest value is the practical bridge into Python rather than the credential. After completing it, move towards a structured machine learning course only if you enjoyed the coding and want more technical depth. So, which course should you choose? Choose AI for Everyone when you want the clearest non-technical introduction and better judgment about AI. Choose Google AI Essentials when you want practical workplace workflows you can use immediately. Choose Generative AI for Everyone when you want a broader understanding of generative AI before specializing in prompting or technical LLM work. Choose IBM Introduction to Artificial Intelligence when you want an IBM-backed overview and may continue through an IBM learning path. Choose AI Python for Beginners when you already understand the basics and are ready to make coding your next step. For most complete beginners, I would start with AI for Everyone. For professionals who mainly want to save time and work more effectively with AI tools, I would start with Google AI Essentials. You can read the full comparison, including current access and certificate caveats, at bestaiCoursesonline.com. The link is in the description. Subscribe for more independent AI course comparisons and reviews.